Here's another really, really simple, wonderful recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven. You can buy it anywhere. Buy it on Amazon, from your favorite bookseller. There's a lot of really delicious, simple, healthy, delectable recipes in my cookbook. I'm a toaster oven fan. If you've got a toaster oven, you should get my cookbook. If you don't have a toaster oven, consider it. Why, if you like baked stuff, why fire up your oven when you can have a toaster oven and do things like this? I've got 2 chicken legs here, and this is so simple. I'm just going to add a little water. I have, what's your favorite seasoning? Mine is sort of this jerk type seasoning. It just is so good. And then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. Now, my oven is up to 350, and that's what I'm going to use for this. Okay, in goes the chicken. And I'm going to set this for an hour, for 60 minutes. I've got time. I can go do other things. There's a lot of fat on those pieces. You could trim it away, but it will bake away. And then there's going to be this lovely crispy skin. So, 1 hour. Okay, the timer went off. That's an hour. Not quite done yet, though. Now, I've got tongs here. I've got the foil. That's all I'm doing is just removing it like that. And I'm going to... The chicken is baked, but I want to get rid of some more of that fat, and I want that crispy skin. So I'm going to give it another, let's say another 30 minutes. Oh, I'm not even going to talk to you about how beautiful this smells. So, yeah, it was an hour and a half. Okay, is this work worth waiting for? Yeah, well, okay. So this is 2 chicken legs, but I want you to look at what this is. So a lot of the fat of these chicken legs, just normal cuts, nothing fancy, has come out into the pan. And the skin is incredibly crispy. I know I have all this jerk seasoning over it, but can you see this? So what that means is that the fat, a lot of the fat in these just very normal joints of chicken have come out into the pan. And when I serve this, there's going to be a lot less fat on these pieces of meat. That said what I usually do is, don't fire up your big oven. Get a toaster oven. Do this. We had room for a couple more pieces. You got 4 people. You have 4 chicken pieces for them and a delightful entree. Give it a try.